Hello, students. So, today we are going to talk about a new toy. Okay, you might have seen this toy, or you might also have played with this toy. This toy is called as a fidget spinner. Okay, fidget spinner. Okay, this toy is in shape of this. It's in shape like this. So, what is this fidget spinner? So fidget spinner is a toy which is designed to spin along its axis with very little effort. So this fidget spinner is a toy which you keep in your hands, in your fingers, in your index finger and your thumb, and it revolves or it rotates. It rotates very, very fast and it keeps on rotating. Okay. This is the fidget spinner, and this is a very popular toy. More popular, it became more popular in year 2017. Okay, but it was already invented way back in 1990s, and we will see about that. Okay, so the origin of this spinning, the fidget spinner took over in year 2017. Okay, mostly in 2017, people were buying more fidget spinners like but they have been around since 1990. Since this was a fidget spinner 1993. Then this came, the style just got changed. Okay, but this is a fidget spinner, this is also a fidget spinner, and this is also a fidget spinner. Okay, so can you see this fidget spinner is placed between your thumb and your index finger or any fingers of your hand, and it goes on rotating. Okay, now why does this rotate? You know, do you guys know how the spinner works, or what is in the middle that helps the spinner to spin? Okay, see, when it you might have asked this question before, isn't it? Why does this rotate? Why does this fidget spinner rotates? See, fidget spinner is a toy which rotates. Okay, this is your thumb. This may be any of the fingers of your hand. So it rotates because of ball bearings. Why it rotates? Because of the ball bearings. There is a ring in the center of this spinner. When you open this spinner, there is a ring inside it. That ring is called ball bearing. What is it called? It's called ball bearings. These ball bearings are the key to the spinner. It means it rotates only because of these ball bearings. Okay, so today we are actually going to make our own fidget spinner. Hmm? And this is an activity which you will perform in another video, but uh, today I am going to tell you what and how it is going to be operated. So, and what materials do you require for this activity? It is very fun activity, and you will make your own toy out of it. You will make your own fidget spinner. So the materials required are, first is you will need a thick chart paper, you will need some coins, and 5 coin shaped foam pieces. Okay, there is a foam board, FOAM, foam board, and you will require that in coin shaped cuttings. Then three, you will require crayons, markers, glue, you require scissor, clipper, and a toothpick. Okay. Now what we will do is we will draw and cut the pattern similar to fidget spinner on thick chart paper. So the thick chart paper, we will use a thick chart paper to draw this pattern. Okay, to draw this pattern like this. Okay, we will draw some this pattern on the it. We will paste three foam pieces on each of the corners and paste one coin on each of the foams. So let's say you have drawn like this. Hmm. Then you will paste foam boards like this, and you will paste one coin on it. This is a thick chart paper, and these are the foam boards and coin. Okay, now Put two foam pieces at the center pattern on either side. So there will be a foam board here and there will also be a foam board down below it. Okay, and clip the part of extra toothpick. So you will insert a toothpick inside it, and this is your fidget spinner. And hold it in your hand, spin and enjoy. This is your own fidget spinner. So you can cut this part, okay, from here. So you are going to perform this experiment. Don't worry. I'm just telling you how it will take place or how you will proceed. Okay. So what is a fidget spinner? Fidget spinner is a toy which is designed to spin. Okay. It is designed to spin. Now I have a question for all of you. What will happen if thin paper is used instead of thick paper? So in firstly, we have used a thick chart paper, correct? What will happen if we use a thin chart paper instead of a thick chart paper? Like if we use a very thin, very thin chart paper, bad quality paper. What will happen? The fidget spinner won't work. Okay, because fidget spinner must have some strength, correct? And if we have a thin, very thin paper, so it will not take place. Okay, now let's discuss why we need two foam papers in the center instead of one. So we require two foam papers like this. See this. Since this is the pattern, there is a foam piece over here. There is also a foam piece down below. Why we require two? Is because it is in the center. Okay. And it also becomes sturdy and durable to hold it in your hands. And it also helps in balancing. So there are many reasons for it. It is becomes sturdy, it becomes durable, and it also helps in balancing. Okay. So this is all about today. These are the stem cards, and you will enjoy the process of making your own fidget spinner, and you will love it. Okay. Thank you.